Hi again, everybody, and I hope you're doing well. I am posting my weekly analysis for you for the Forex market, and since DXY plays very key role, an important role in the market, I decided to first talk about it completely and fully and tell you about the next week. So, what you can remember about DXY was this channel, which was uptrend, and I told you that we might have reaction to this zone, and I told you last week. So, people who were with me could easily understand and could easily see that there was a great reaction. So, there are two different scenarios right now for DXY. The first one is the bullish one, and we can have, reaction from this zone, and DXY is getting stronger again. The first target it can have would be 106.9 or 107, let's say, and the other one would be 108 to 109 is the historical resistance it can have on the way. Otherwise, if there is a breakout from the bottom side, the first target it can have would be 104.8, then 103.8, and then the other one 103, and finally 101.4. That's it. Nothing more, and just these two scenarios are available. About EURUSD, I can tell you that we are still in that flag, and what we had was, spike, and after the spike we are in this flag as a classic pattern, and there is a possibility of breaking out from either side. So if there is a breakout from top side, we can see 100.0324 one more time, and if there is a breakout from the bottom side, we can see 0.99 one more time as historic support, which is more probable would be, from top side up to 100.03 to 4 is the next target of euro, and it might take some days. So I guess about Great British Pound USD, what we have right now is this downtrend, and we are in a channel right now, and it has very important resistance here, 1.23 to 1.24. If there is a breakout and pullback, we could be hopeful for Great British Pound to be bullish one more time. Otherwise, if there is a breakout, if this dynamic support, so we can see bearish trend one more time to see first zone 1.19, then 1.17, and it is going to move toward the lower numbers, but we should wait to see what will happen. For USDJPY, what we can see is this trend. If you can remember, in my previous analysis, I told you that there is a parallel channel here. Let me draw it for you, then we can talk about it. Yes, it was something like this. Then you could see that the price was moving in this channel. There was a breakout, pull back to this zone, and finally you can see it has moved up to this zone. Now, if you take a look at JPY, you can see it was bullish, and it is moving in this channel for a long time, and it is reliable. We can see some reaction to the midline of this channel, and we should wait to see if there is going to be the rest of the trend. 134.5 is the first resistance it can have, the other one 136.7, and finally 139 is the historical resistance it can have. Otherwise, if there is a breakout from bottom side, so the first support it can have 137.6, sorry, let me repeat that, 131.6, then 129.7 and 126.8, and finally 124.6. No more scenarios for JPY. And for Canadian dollar, what we can see and have right now is still the uptrend channel we had after this spike. There was a spike and we are in this channel. If there is a breakout from top, we can see 0.78. Otherwise, if there is a breakout from bottom side, the first zone can support the price is 0.77, then 0.76, and finally 0.7585. And the last one, USD AUD. For USD AUD, what you can see is we were in this channel. And if you can remember, I told you that the channel had a breakout and we can move toward these zones. But what we couldn't see, and I have seen that there was a reaction, was this orange line. It's a trend line and it moved and then it had some reaction here. There are two different scenarios. USD is really stronger than AUD right now, okay? And it is going to, I told you, be two different scenarios. The first scenario is going to be the price is gonna try and go back into the channel and it's gonna be bullish one more time. Otherwise, if there is a breakout of the orange line, we can see 1.39 to 40 as the first target and finally 1.37. So if there is going to be, bullish trend, the first resistance it can have 1.43, sorry, 1.45 to 6, then 1.50 as a next target. And it's going to be, bullish one more time and it moves in the channel. That's it. Nothing more. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel because I will post my analysis every day, every week, and turn the bell on not to miss them. Bye-bye.